My name is Niger Monkey. I'm just starting out this, so please don't criticize me on my, please don't criticize me on this video. I'll be updating on videos often. So this is my first video, and I'm just basically introducing myself and making, so I'll be showing you some of the stuff I like and stuff, so here goes. This is my phone. It used to be Mom's, but it's a flip phone. Not that cool. It's not like a Samsung or something, but it's pretty cool. I can take pictures and videos and stuff. Might be doing that for some of my videos on here, but until I get a really good camera, I'll be making a lot more videos, including movies. I do Five Nights at Freddy's movies. I do Lego animations. I do a whole bunch of plays and stuff, so I'll be updating a lot. So I also do Disney Infinity. Some of my characters. We got Olaf, the snowman off of Frozen. So yeah, I got that because I like to play with my sister on Frozen. So there's Boba Fett from Star Wars, the regular Star Wars, and Hero Mata from Big Hero 6. Kylo Ren from the new Star Wars The Force Awakens. There's a new coming out. I'm really excited. It's called Rogue One. Yeah. And please do comment down below if you like this video too. And it helps if you subscribe too. It's not like you would on my first video, but okay. It'll be cool if you comment or subscribe on my videos, and hints and hopeful stuff to videos. Like I said, I'm new at this, so I don't know much about this YouTube stuff. So want to figure out what else I should show. I'll be doing this with my sparkle butterflies. She's my sister. Okay, so this is Lego Harry Potter, the video game. Years 5 through 7, so I'll be doing a lot of videos on Lego Harry Potter. Also Minecraft and Disney Infinity too. And much more games. So, like I said, hit the subscribe button and hope you like my videos later on in the future. Bye. Nigel Monkey out.